Hey Glam fam, I'm Mattie. If you're new here, welcome to my channel. Make sure that you hit that subscribe button. If you support the channel, make sure that you give this video a huge thumbs up. And girlfriend, if you support the channel, also make sure that you leave a comment down below. It doesn't matter what it is. It could simply be an emoji. It could be a simple I support you. It could be a I like the video. Whatever the case may be, just make sure that you show your girl some love down below in the comment section for this great information that I am getting ready to share with you all. Now, what a lot of people don't know is you can easily manifest whatever you want, okay? You can manifest the life that you want easily, okay? It's super duper simple. The biggest thing that you always want to do in life is believe in yourself, okay? When you believe in yourself, a lot of things simply come to you. This is what a lot of people do not realize. I started at a very young age of believing in myself, manifesting different things that I wanted within my life. And if you believe in yourself, you can simply do that too. Now, of course, there are a lot more rules to manifesting than just that. But the start is believing that you can achieve and get whatever your little heart desires. Now, the way that you can attract whatever you want is simple, okay? It's called the law of attraction. I'm pretty sure that a lot of you guys have heard of that at some point in your life. As we all know, like attracts like, and what you put into the world is what you will also get back out of the world, okay? So if you're putting out negative energy, that's what you're going to receive back. If you don't believe in yourself and you say, hey, I can't do such and such, then you won't be able to do it. But when you believe in yourself, you put that energy out into the world, that's what you're going to receive back. The same way that if you put out negative energy, what you're going to receive back is negative energy, okay? You can't get positive putting out negative. So what I need for you guys to do first and foremost is get into the mindset of being more positive. Get into the mindset of believing in yourself, because when you believe in yourself, nothing is out of your reach. You want to put yourself in having a more positive mindset and also being more productive than you usually are. We tend to surround ourselves with what makes us happy and with what we love to do. But I promise you, if you can put yourself in a positive mindset and say, hey, today I'm going to work a little bit harder, I'm going to do a little bit more, then you're more bound to receive whatever you want out of life, especially if it's financial. Now, I'm pretty sure we all know the saying, faith without works is dead. Everything comes together. So if you want to achieve the life that you want, make sure that you're putting in that work and being productive as well. I know that's the part that a lot of people don't want to hear. Y'all just be wanting stuff to fall in your lap, don't you? But that's just not how life works. You really want to reprogram your mind. Train yourself to think more positive. Now, as humans, we all have negative thoughts that sneak in. When these negative thoughts sneak in, you say, honey, you know what? You're not stealing my joy today, okay? You are not about to mess up my mood. You're not about to mess up my positivity. I still believe that I can achieve whatever I want, and keep that in your mind on repeat. So whenever a negative thought comes in, you knock that negative thought right out of the park and continue with your positive thinking, because that is what's going to elevate you to the next level and help you to manifest whatever you want. Now, the next question would simply be, how do I start manifesting? I have learned about law of attraction. I've learned about all these different things. I am productive and I am thinking positive. How do I start manifesting? What are the top rules to manifesting whatever I want out of life? One of the first things that you want to do is make a vision board, or if you're not going to make a vision board, at least write out exactly what you want to do. I'm pretty sure we've all heard the saying, write the vision and make it plain. If there's something specific that you want out of life, whether you want to move, or whether you want a new car, whether you want a new job that pays higher, whether you want whatever you want, okay? Whether you want to move up the ladder in whatever job you're currently in, make sure that you write these things down, okay? A plan is one of the quickest ways in order to achieve your goals, because you already know exactly which way you want to go. It's not like you're floating through life all willy-nilly, okay? You have a plan, you've written this down, and you want to achieve this in X amount of time, okay? You could say, hey, I want to move on up the ladder at my job in 3 months, or I want a new house in 4 months, or whatever the case may be. Just make sure that you write the vision down and make it plain. Now, we all have hard days. Like I said, we all have days where negative thoughts come into your mind. Make sure that you're speaking positive affirmations to yourself. Even if sometimes you have to stand in the mirror and say, hey, I'm gonna make it, I'm gonna do this, I'm gonna do that. It's possible for me to do this, okay? Now, one of the things that I've always seen my mom do throughout my life, well, really in the recent years, is she has a mirror in her office and she takes a dry erase marker and she'll write on the mirror everything that she wants to do, okay? So every month I've seen my mom set a new milestone and reach it. She's written it down. She says, hey, well, I'm gonna make X amount of dollars next month, and before I know it, she has achieved it, okay? So that's one of the things that I was kind of raised off of. My mom has always told me, hey, you can do whatever you want to do. You can achieve whatever goal you want to achieve as long as you put forth the effort to achieve it. And I have seen that firsthand with my mom. Now, you can also take your positive affirmations, write them down and put them under your pillow as you rest. And you guys, this also helps a lot as well. Make sure that no matter what you do, if you're trying to manifest something, that you're putting those positive affirmations out there, whether it's writing it down and putting it under your pillow, simply writing it in a journal, whatever the case may be. Make sure that you are doing this in order to achieve whatever you want out of life, okay? Now, something else that you want to do is surround yourself with positive people. Surround yourself with people who are going to help you to elevate to the next level, who are going to tell you, hey, you can achieve whatever you want to. If you're around negative people that say, hey, you can't do that, I can't see you making it, oh, you want to be a singer, girl, you can't even sing, girl, what are you even talking about? You don't want to be around people who bring you down, because that messes up your energy. So what I need for you guys to do is make sure that whomever you're around, that they are bringing positivity into your life, okay? That they are giving you the love and the positive uplifting that you need, because this is also going to help you to elevate in life. Now, there's also something called the 369 manifestation method. You can write down what you want to do all throughout the day, and you would do this 3 times in the morning, 6 times throughout the day, and 9 times in the evening, and you'll be on your way to manifesting the life you dream of in no time. And of course, as you all know, we all know the saying, fake it until you make it. You have to believe in yourself throughout this process, because that is the only way that all that you dream of is going to come to fruition. And it's just that simple, you guys. Make sure that you share this video with anybody who is looking to achieve goals at this moment. Anyone who has set milestones for themselves, make sure that you send this video over to them and let them know you can achieve it. Make sure that you follow the steps in this video in order to achieve the life that you so dream of, because I'm pretty sure that we all have things that we want to manifest, okay? We all have ways that we want to achieve the goals that we want, but we don't necessarily know how exactly to get there, okay? And this is one of the ways to, okay? You start by writing it down. You start by setting a plan in action, and you start also by believing in yourself. When you believe in yourself, you are unstoppable. I'm your girl Mattie, sharing with you awesome things in order to help you to improve your life, your body, just everything. If you're new here, make sure that you hit that subscribe button, leave a like, and also let me know where you're watching your girl from. I want to thank you guys so much for tuning in. I'll see you all in my next one. Bye.